Welcome to Mathenatic. Let us look at the following exam type question. The following geometric series is given. X is equals to 5 plus 15 plus 45, and this pattern continues up to 20 terms. Write this series in sigma notation. So in order to write a series in sigma notation, we need to find the lower limit, the upper limit, and the body or the Tn of that expression. So from the information given, we have n as equals to 20, and that will represent our upper limit. For the lower limit, we'll have 1 because we start by term 1. Next, we have the first term, and that first term is a, which is equals to 5. Now we need to establish, am I doing a constant difference between terms or a constant ratio between terms? And can you see, from 5 to 15 to 45, we are multiplying by 3 every time. So it is a constant ratio between terms. And how you establish that is you would say r is equals to term 2 divided by term 1, and that is 15 divided by 5. Or you can say 45 divided by 15, and that is equals to 3. So the constant ratio between terms is 3. With this information, we can find the general term. And because it's geometric, we'll use Tn is equals to a times r to the power of n minus 1. Now the a value is 5, r is equals to 3, and we have it to the power of n minus 1. We are not substituting n into this expression. We are trying to find the body of our sigma notation. So therefore, this geometric series can be simplified in the following sigma notation. We have our lower limit of 1, which represents term 1. The upper limit is 20 because we have 20 terms. And we have established that Tn is equals to 5 times 3 raised to the power of n minus 1. You would notice that I'm using k instead of n because that is just good practice. For the lower limit, I define the variable as k, and that will be the substitutor or the variable that I'll need to use in the body of my sigma notation. The second question that we can have here is to calculate the value of x. So x represents the sum of these terms. So x is Sn. Now we know for Sn, we have a times r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Because we have a geometric series or a constant ratio between terms. We know that the value of a is equals to 5, that r is equals to 3, that n is equals to 20. And when we substitute it into our Sn formula, we have x, which is the sum to 20 terms, as 8,716,961,000. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.